Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video. And this video is about some different length of pencil heel and really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really pretty. And this one is also a very beautiful transparent thing that looks really amazing and beautiful. And this one is also a very nice silver color heel that looks really pretty and amazing. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful and pretty. And as you see, this black color heel looks really nice, a very pretty square shape from the front, like it's really unique and different. And this one is also a very beautiful combination of blue and transparent, and as you see, different embellishments on the heel makes your heel more amazing and more beautiful, like some shiny material of the heel or crystals, different buckles and many more things on the top of the heel that makes your heel more beautiful, like the cherry on the cake. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful and different kind of combination, and this one is also a very nice leopard kind of print that looks really amazing and really beautiful. And this heel looks really amazing, a very different kind of heel. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till then.